So I have had like 100 safari trips in my life, a few more maybe. But I've never, ever sighted a tiger. And I know this one person whose life is about jungles, and he started a venture a couple of years back called Wilderlust. He's the only person who could possibly make me see a tiger. Our timings couldn't match. I couldn't get a decent, window of opportunity. But then somehow, my 2G wanted to go to Tadoba, and this holy weekend happened.
Stayed in Pug Mark Jungle Lodge, which is very extremely beautifully designed. It feels us in the nature. Rooms are too good and clean. Hospitality of the rooms also is very fine. And food, of course, very tasty and delicious according to what we need.
Tadoba is different from other jungles in terms of its landscaping, especially the buffer zones, which are very dense with bamboo forests. They give you a feel of a tunnel, that you are passing through a tunnel.
We have got an amazing encounter with this legend of a tigress. We can't of course name her, but wow, what a tiger she is.
So just imagine this, we are going in a jeep and there's nothing happening around you. You're just going straight on a road. And suddenly Shashank says that there's something happening, and I was like, okay, but how the hell do you know? And then suddenly the guide says the same thing. Hey, you know what? I think something's happening up there. And then when we go there, oh my god, there are like a zillion cars there. And the majestic beauty, whatever his name is walking on our left.
5 minutes walk it gave us, and that was the most exciting part of the safari. I just locked this moment in my eyes and I will never forget it. It was an awesome, excellent safari for me.
Look at these faces, guys.
The first sloth bear that we saw, we saw it and then it vanished into the bushes. Then we came out, but the driver, after some time, I don't know why, after some time he said कि sir थोड़ा भाग के चलते हैं, so जरा hold कर लीजिए. And then he took us to that place again, and surprisingly once we reached there, and the sloth bear crossed the road. I mean, the perfect timing. I don't know how he made it, but it was the wonderful thing.
Subhash and Kishore and Rupesh and Dheeraj were exceptional.
And they made it sure that we catch every sight of the jungle and not missed out any of the animals that were passing through the jungle.
As I always say, the whole credit goes to Shashank Birla. His organization ability, his arranging the safaris, his arranging the drivers, the guides, and his relation with forest people. That makes the thing more successful. That's what all I can say, and all the best to him for his future venture.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to, in fact, join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.